Dispatch, I have a vehicle stop.
Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop you heat every 4 times of the week. Now in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this Trap House drum kit, Believers Records Trap House drum kit. Guys, this is a crazy ass drum kit, no games bro, I tell you. Things are getting crazy out here, you know. So as it gets crazy, we get crazy as well. So before we actually go further, you know what to do, man. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Now, I'm gonna give you 4 seconds exactly to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit it right now. All right, bro, you've had your time, but make sure that you actually hit it, bro. So before I actually, show you the drum kit, I'm gonna go ahead and play you the beat that I actually made using this crazy ass drum kit. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna play you the free beat for profit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and show you the drum kit. So let's do that.
Dispatch, I have a vehicle stop.
Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Alright, I wasn't gonna play the whole thing. I just wanted you to just, get the idea of how the beat sounds. It's a crazy ass beat, man. So once you actually download the drum kit, the beat will be wrapped up, inside of it. So once you once you actually download the drum kit, you'll be in a position to actually, get the beat. So without no further ado, let's jump into today's agenda, and that's, the drum kit, the Believers Records Trap House drum kit. So it got some, 808, some claps, some cymbals, some hi-hats, some kicks, some percussions, and some snares. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the 808 first for you. So, woo. Silly watch. Watch how this claps. Groovy. kind of shit. So yeah, man, that's it for the drum kit. It's a crazy ass drum kit. There's a lot of nice sounds here processed. All you gotta do is just, you know, drag and drop them, unless you actually feel that you actually need to do something further. But everything has actually been done for you. All you gotta do is just, you know, just get a nice balance, and you know, do a little few things, and you'll be nice. And, you know, you'll be good to go, bro. So be sure that you actually get this drum kit link in the description down below. And before I actually forget, you know, I offer mixing and mastering services. So if you actually need any of that, just, you know, just hit me up on my email, or just leave anything in the comments down below. You know, just say something, tell me, talk to me, bro. You know, and we'll get down to business. No games. So that's it for the drum kit. It's not a long ass video. I just wanted to show you the drum kit, and that's it. So without no further ado, I'm gonna let you go ahead and play around with this thing. You know, enjoy yourself, and actually be sure to sanitize, you know, all that good stuff. Wash your hands, you know, that social distancing and stuff. There's a lot of crazy shit going on right now, so you better stay safe, bro. So I'm gonna see you on the next one. Have a good one. Goodbye.